Welcome in this video. In this video, you are going to see the newest airdrop every days. Okay, so freaking newest airdrop testnet for getting. Please do subscribe this channel. Okay, anyhow, I don't wanna say this stuff. So here is I'm going to deep down about this project. POPLY bounty pre-testnet campaign. POPLY is going to be maybe their token or whatever, so you can do research about them. Just search on Google about POPLY or search on Twitter. You can see on there. So I don't wanna show you those stuff in here. I wanna just show you, deep down, how do you can participate in their testnet. Testnet mean you can test their thing before going to mainnet. In mainnet you will get your reward. Okay, anyhow, so here is a little bit link I provided if you noticed in here. So go here, so through your browser, use your whatever you favor to use your browser. So click on that link and open it up, okay, through your browser here, and connect your wallet in here. And here is follow POPLY on Twitter. So click on this little button, and that will bring you in the Twitter, that where you want, where you want in where you especially will go for follow them. So here is a little bit uh, you know problem I'm facing every Twitter system. So anyhow, I'm going to change my I'm going to do it by Twitter apps. So it will be maybe wise to use because it doesn't working in here. So leave it. So here is follow them. Just tap on the first option and you can use your browser. And here is I'm going to use my Twitter native apps. Okay, so just go inside of the Twitter. You can use your browser because maybe you are in PC or laptop, whatever you are in mobile phone you can use as well, whatever you favor to use, and do follow immediately. So now you can see that POPLY, what is POPLY is. You can see in here that POPLY is community based native NFT marketplace. It is like OpenSea. There's like this type of marketplace like NFT marketplace where you can sell NFT, buy NFT. Okay, this type of stuff is going to be massive, because it is so rare. Very few organizations are wanting to do this stuff. So very interesting. So now you can click on the circle button in order to done this specific task, so that either you done or it not. Okay, it's done. So like click on this like POPLY to your tweet. Okay, so here is as well I'm going through the same way in Twitter as well. So here is I'm going to use Twitter in here. So post is being opening up, and here is you're intending to do the like. So click this like button, or you can manually do scroll in here and you can choose the like button. I already did it, so I'm doing okay. So like done. Now come in here, very simple social bounty task. Retweet the tweet, same tweet, just tap on there. Okay, it is going to be done. So every task is done, these two, now this one. Okay, so tap on this retweet the tweet again, and now walk through by your Twitter in here. So click on in here, and here is post, repost to repost, bam. So come back again in here, so click this little bit circle button in here, and bam, so it will be done immediately. So now the next one is Discord task. So you need to join on their Discord. So here is I'm going to use the Mises browser because here is I connected with Glax. There's that Discord I'm going to be participate by. Okay, so very simple task, straightforward social bounty people calls this type of task. So it is straight, like you don't need to use anything at all, just doing like, follow and join on their community. This type of work actions activity make you eligible in this airdrop. So there's a lot of guy they get eligible in dev velocity. Okay, dev token. So some people ask me when it will be unlocked. 20 August it is going to be unlocked, they said. But if you notice that token we get through this glax task, only glax task. Okay, so anyhow, so click on this accept invite, and it's going to be again opening up. So a little bit maybe in Discord, a lot varieties type of verification system has. So hover with this verification system and being verified. Okay, and then you can click the black circle, it will be immediately done. Okay, very simple as that. Okay, so here is my network problem is doing problem, but I don't want to pause this video. Okay, I I just like make the video perfect sense to you. So it is kind of like airdrop. Okay, and it is give you something. Okay, so now it is free. Then we are participating in beginning of this offer, and among the time they will update you occasionally, okay, frequently, on their Twitter, on their social media about this airdrop. Okay, for getting this update, join Telegram channel, check out description box. So here is verify rules. So how do you be verified? So here is solve captcha. Click on the solve captcha, the bottom, and here is this AONL on 7. I'm going to write it down in my, so AONL on 7. So answer, so this one, sorry, fast on, and bam, you are verified. Now you can come into the Glax task. In here is again being opening up, because if you certain time has, if you stay aware of that tab, specific tab, that tab will be again opened up. Maybe this system has on Mises or any other browser, therefore it is like all the time opening. But your task would be done, like certain task you already done, those task would be done. Okay, as well the circle button you clicked on, same way will be green. Okay, so never be worried about this stuff. Very simple and straightforward way you can do participate. If your network is so much better than me, quicker than me, it is awesome. So click on this Discord task. Maybe I can I'm able to I can I done it properly. So the next one is like POPLY Twitter. I'm able to show you the until the finish. Okay, so here is I'm going to go again by Twitter, and here the pre-testnet phase is okay. Click this like button and come back again in here and click the little bit circle. It will be white, like it will be white down. Okay, and it will be done. So now retweet the tweet, the last one. Okay, the last one, click on there is Twitter task as well. Very simple and straightforward way you can do this stuff. Done. So just see how efficient way you can do it. Okay, so now your point would be, you know here is your little bit, button would be pop up for claim certain point. So claim, and maybe later this Glax task could help you to participate in their airdrop. So 100 points is worthwhile to get in here. So we are pre-testnet campaign, we are in early riser in here. So thank you for participate, and if you don't yet join our Telegram channel, here is our Telegram. So 82 people from different country. If you noticed, if I show them that they are from different country. You cannot recognize them that where they are from. Okay, so it is awesome. If you want to be part of our community for moneymaker, come on. Okay, I welcome you all the time.